Don't you wish that you knew everything your credit card is capable of? What about every benefit and perk and whatever value they may have? Credit cards give you a line of credit that you can use to buy things, transfer balances, and get cash advances. You have to pay back the amount you borrowed in the future, but most people probably don't know that their credit cards can do more than this common task. Welcome to Abon V. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 benefits of having a credit card that you might have but don't know about. So stick to the video, keep watching, and let's dive in. Number 1. Extended warranty protection. The first benefit that most people get is an extended warranty. This benefit matches and extends the manufacturer's warranty on eligible purchases. Basically, once the manufacturer's warranty is over, the extended warranty from your credit card issuer will take its place and match its terms for a certain amount of time. If you do need to use the extended warranty protection, you should know that each issuer's warranty has its own terms and conditions that you should be aware of. Most of the time, these warranties come with a deductible that you have to pay before any repairs are made. You also need to have bought the item with the credit card for it to be eligible for protection coverage. Card issuers decide whether or not to include the benefit of any or all of their cards, and they can also choose to limit or expand the coverage. Therefore, Visa might provide the benefit, but the company issuing your card might decide not to include it. How can you be sure that your card gives you the perk? Check your card's terms and conditions. When you log into your account online, you should be able to access it. And if something you bought breaks down, the extended warranty on your card should save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Keep those receipts and warranties, and it won't be too hard to file a claim. Number 2. Return protection. These days, not all credit card issuers offer return protection. However, if you find an issuer who offers it, this reward can certainly help you save. As the name suggests, it has to do with extending the return timeframe on eligible purchases. In some cases, this protection will also help you receive reimbursement for the item you no longer want, even if returns are not allowed by the retailer. Again, each credit card issuer will have its own set of guidelines surrounding this benefit. Typically, you will be asked to provide proof that the item you're returning was purchased with the card in question. Additionally, there may be specific limits on how much the credit card company is willing to reimburse you for each purchase during the calendar year. You should know that return protection is a perk that extends an item's return life or creates a return policy where there may not have been one before. It is usually offered by credit card processors and not by credit card issuers. When you use a credit card's return protection feature, you may have to ship the item to an address chosen by the processor, and this could cost you more money. Number 3. Purchase protection. Even though purchase protection sounds like some of the other benefits we've talked about, it actually helps you replace items that are stolen, damaged, or lost during delivery. Sometimes, the company that gave you the credit card will work with the store to get you another delivery. In other cases, they will just give you the money back for the damaged item. Like the other benefits on this list, you will need to file a claim with your credit card issuer to get this liability protection. But you might also have to show more paperwork, like proof that you bought the item with their card and pictures of any damage to the item. Purchase protection, which is also sometimes called damage protection, covers goods against theft or accidental damage for just a certain amount of time. It's important to know that purchase protection is secondary coverage, so you must first file a claim with your primary insurance. For example, if you have renter's insurance, the purchase protection on your credit card will be the second layer of protection. If someone breaks into your apartment and steals your laptop, purchase protection will only cover the difference between what you paid for it and what it's worth now. Number 4. Cell phone protection. Cell phone protection, also known as cell phone insurance, is another benefit that many credit card companies offer. You might be able to guess that this benefit can be used to help you buy a new phone if yours gets broken or stolen. It can often save you hundreds of dollars on your final bill, which makes it a very valuable perk to have. Usually, you need to have paid your monthly cell phone bill with your credit card before you can use this benefit. In some situations, you may have to show proof that your payments are up to date. Depending on who issued your card, there may also be limits on how much you can get back for each claim or for the whole year. The cards don't also cover everything. Depending on the limits of your coverage, a brand new high-end iPhone might not be fully covered by your card issuer. If you lose your phone, you also might not be covered. And if you don't use the card every month to pay the bill for that cell phone, it might not cover anything. If you need to file a claim, you can also do so by calling the number on the back of your card or the person in charge of your benefits. Check the guide to benefits that came with your card for more information. You can file your claim online with some banks. Number 5. Price protection. Lastly, there is protection for prices. Under the price protection benefit, your credit card company agrees to give you a refund for the difference in price if an item you just bought goes on sale for less. Most of the time, you will send in a claim along with the receipt for the purchase. Then, the issuer checks the internet to see what the item is being sold for. If there is a difference between what you paid and what is advertised, you will get a credit on your statement or a check in the mail for the difference within a few business days. You can learn about all the deals out there and make sure you're making the best credit-related financial decision you possibly can. Make sure you compare the different cards you can get to get an idea of which one might be best for you. Ancillary benefits like price protection don't sound as exciting as free flights or 5-star hotels, but it's possible that over the life of your card, you'll get more money's worth from your card benefits than from credit card rewards. Price protection could save you thousands of dollars per year, as long as you know what your card covers and how to file a claim. Conclusion: even though none of these benefits should be your main reason for getting a credit card, it's important to know that they do exist. Most credit cards give you a lot of other benefits besides the ability to pay for things over time. Unfortunately, many consumers don't fully understand the benefits being offered, which can lead them to leave value behind. When looking for a new credit card, you should look at its benefits, interest rate, fees, and any advertised deals like 0% annual percentage rate, APR, or free balance transfers. Also, keep in mind that these perks are usually given to people who have a good or excellent credit score and a good credit history. Most of the time, you'll find these benefits on cards with annual fees, so it's important to make sure that the benefits of the card are worth more than the cost. Did you know about these benefits before? Let us know in the comment section below. That's it for today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.